I have 4 of these deep corner cabinets in my kitchen, and they're always a mess, which drives me nuts. I need to divide and conquer. I began by removing everything from the Lazy Susan and measured the space so I could see what I was working with. I needed something sturdy but inexpensive to make my dividers. Don't ask me how, but I knew 4 clipboards would work for this project. I began by removing the top clip part of the clipboard, but kept the bottom clip part. When all of the parts were removed, I hammered everything else flat. I used 4-inch cable ties to join the boards together. Laying the boards flat so the holes in the clip would overlap, I put them together with 1 cable tie on each side of the hole. For the other 2 boards, I bent the holes down so they would be flat and laid 1 on either side of the joined clipboards. I tied all 4 boards together using the cable ties. Now I had a 4-sided divider. I placed the clipboard divider into the cabinet and spread them out evenly. To ensure they didn't fall over, I placed glue dots to the bottom edge of each board. Now my deep Lazy Susan cabinets are neat and organized. I hope this inspires you to organize those deep cupboards in your kitchen.